Banners like these have come up in Thane overnight, trying to draw attention to a big decision that the Environment Ministry is considering. June 30 is the last day for sending in suggestions and objections to the Environment Ministry's draft EIA 2020 notification.
We've recently seen some of the banners and posters coming up in the city, but we actually do not know who is putting up. But it's great to see that people are actually becoming more aware and trying to assert what they want to.
Many feel the draft notification for EIAs or Environment Impact Assessment is being rammed through in the pandemic when not enough people know or understand the ramifications of the proposed changes. There is also a demand to urge the ministry to consider extending the time limit for sending in the objections.
Now people are busy with all the pandemic that is going on in our country, but the Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change issues this notification in which they are diluting the norms, they are diluting the laws that are being placed to save the environment. The job of the ministry is to make sure that there is a sustainable development that is going on, that should go on in the country. Now instead of focusing on sustainable development and making sure that the infrastructure projects have less impact on the environment, they have issued this notification which is diluting all the norms. We have seen the days are decreasing of the rainfall and the intensity and the quantity and the quantity has been rising. So this is an alarming situation for us, and in this alarming situation the government is diluting the laws. They should be prioritizing the environment and the sustainable development, but instead of just focusing on sustainable development, they are just focusing on development. Now the justification that is given by them is that they are making India better to work business, but on cost of what?
During lockdown, everyone was asked to stay at home and focus on the problem which is existing, that is already the pandemic, the COVID-19. But I believe that Environment Ministry and our beloved minister is not scared of that, and he is in fact busy destroying the environment. And I am so sure that this destruction to environment would cause so many similar problems like the existing pandemic. So we'll have to be alert, we'll have to speak up about the dilute draft, and we demand that the new draft of EIA should be scrapped totally.